its twin towers shadowing the narrow medieval streets that fill the midground while bridges stretch outward in the background like arms linking both banks of the Seine. Yet tension sits beneath the beauty. Fires threaten the wooden houses. Pickpockets follow the crowds, and rumors about court politics move faster than the authorities can manage. Though altered many times, it still dominates the skyline. Today, even after the tragic fire of 2019, this island remains the symbolic center of Paris, a place where history still feels alive. This view shows the Pont Neuf, already more than a century old by the 1700s South, its stone arches stretching across the Seine in the foreground, while pedestrians, riders, and hawkers fill the midground and boats glide beneath in the background. This view shows Les Halles, the great marketplace of Paris, stacked in the foreground with vegetables, meat, and fish, while covered stalls crowd the midground and rooftops blackened by chimney smoke rise behind them. This view shows the Place Louis XV, later the Place de la Concorde, during construction in the mid-1700s. This view shows barges anchored in the foreground along the stone quays, while carts roll in the midground, and the skyline of churches and palaces lifts in the background. The Seine mattered as Paris's primary highway before railways, controlling the lifeline of the city. Today, the same embankments are peaceful promenades, still tracing those ancient roots. This view shows the Bastille looming over the eastern approach to the city, its towers dominating the foreground. soldiers guarding the gate in the midground, and tightly packed neighborhoods spreading behind it. Drums beat, prisoners arrive in guarded carts, and the atmosphere feels heavy with secrecy. The fear is real. Many detainees arrive without trial, and taverns buzz with whispered stories about what happens inside. The Bastille mattered as a symbol of royal power and intimidation. By 1789, anger surrounding it exploded into rebellion when Parisians stormed the fortress. Today, little remains, but the name alone still shapes the meaning of revolution. This view shows the Faubourg Saint-Antoine as a working district, with wood-filled workshops in the foreground, small houses clustered in the midground, and the city walls fading into the background. The city hall mattered as the core of municipal power throughout fires, floods, and political upheavals. Markets filled with straw and smoke have become shopping centers. Yet the hopes, fears, and conflicts of the past still rest in the stones. AI lets us move through these scenes as if we were there, showing angles and details the original artist could never capture. If there's another city, moment, or scene you'd like to see brought to life, let me know in the comments.